Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is Burgh Unboxing, and this is yet another package from Fluffy the cat, the richest and smartest cat in Finland, with his human assistants and the assistant of Matty Cat, the second smartest cat in Finland. So we have a box here, and inside the box are things, and let's see what the box is physically, if I can. So we'll tear this open, and this says Farzer Wiener Nougat has been an integral part of something, because the box is our confectionery, the city's musical culture, and reputation for exquisite cakes and desserts, sweet almond nougat candy, and the rest is history. Its unique taste and timeless elegance has made Wiener Nougat the perfect something. Reflects the romance of Vienna, just as Carl Fraser knew it would. So there's the box there. And then there's the outside of the box. We'll put that in the pile of things go in the recycling bin, and then we have here some string and a very cute little card. And this has two cats, and they're very cute. One's a boy, one's the girl. They have their tails in a little Valentine's heart. That's very cute. I should get that framed. That's so cute. Wishing you a year full of fluffy days. Happy New Year 2020 from Fluffy B, the smartest kitty. And it says H. Fluffington III and family, Catburg and Martinez. So this is so cute, though. And I don't know what it says. Something Justovoy Dilly on the top. So I may frame that. That is one of the cutest cards I've ever seen. And the little heart is made out of their shadows in the bottom. They're under the moon. So, very cute. Very, very cute. Alright, I'm running out of room here. I'll bring up Super Pig. That's not gonna quite fit. And we have here another package of cacao, anti-hairball, enriched with vitamins, no added preservatives. I thought it said no added pears. Cacao for happy cats, crunchy pillow, beef, and malt. And unfortunately, it got opened. But I trust Fluffy the cat. So I will feed this to my cat. In fact, let's do this. Let's try a taste test. I'll grab about 5 of these. I have Fuzzy right next to me. And we will put those on the cat house. Will Fuzzy eat them? Oh, she is scarfing them. She says, oh boy, Daddy, these are good. So Fuzzy says, Fuzzy approved. They're gone. She just chomped on those suckers, and there's nothing left. So she's eating the last one, and she's looking for more. So she likes those. Thank you, Fluffy. Thank you, Maddie. Thank you, human assistants. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Hopefully you're staying cool, because it was 76 here this morning at 11:30 when I left. I got back at 6. And it's 75 in my apartment now with the door open and the fan going. Have a good one, and I'll catch you next time. And Fuzzy says, thank you, Fluffy, once again. Now Fuzzy is washing. Bye-bye for now, and this has been Burgh Unboxing.